Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Ateca Xcellence 4Drive, finished in magic black, 2 litre TDI 150 PS model. Features on the car are the LED headlamps, fog lights and front parking sensors, 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, LED indicator in the mirror housing with the puddle light also. Vehicle looks stunning in black. Features the chrome roof rails for accessories and the privacy glass also. There's also a rear reversing camera and rear parking sensors. Electric tailgate. Huge loading space in the rear with storage either side. Space-saving spare wheel and one-hand operation to drop the rear seats. Seats 5 in total. Has a full black leather interior. Upgraded audio system with a Seat sound. Automatic lights. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The vehicle's covered just under 16,000 miles. Has a DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, navigation, full link facility, heated front seats and dual climate control, wireless charging for QI enabled phones with 2 USB ports and 3.5mm auxiliary, keyless start and keyless entry, hill hold facility and an armrest with storage in the centre. If you'd like any further details on this particular car, please contact Crewe on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.